Hi, my name is Nex Millen. Most people know me as the guy behind the turntables, but today I'm really excited to be here at the Ingles table. You see, in addition to being a DJ and a teaching artist for Leaf Community Arts, I'm also a dad who cares a lot about making sure my child eats good, healthy, real food. While music is my passion, the kitchen is where I go to have fun. And that's what we're going to do today. We already been to Ingles and have all the ingredients to make my miso salmon with mushrooms. Let's get cooking. We just got back from Ingles, so here we go. Let's get to cooking. I stopped at the seafood counter and picked up this red sockeye salmon. Wait until you see what we're gonna do with this. This recipe is quick and easy. It's not a big cleanup, it doesn't make a big mess, so let's get to it. So you want to combine the miso with the mirin and stir together until you get a paste-like consistency. We want to add our mushroom to our sockeye. Now, when you put the fish onto the foil, and if you're using thin foil, you might want to double this up like I did, because this could get messy in your stove. And I'm all about cleaning as I go, so I don't have any cleanup at the end. I'm gonna get all these mushrooms on. This mushroom pack is a mixed mushroom pack, straight from Ingles. Every time I go to the store, the Ingles, I try a different mushroom each time. Even the dry ones, I have them in my cabinet, and I'll rehydrate them with a little water. Now we have some scallions, whites, not your green. You want your white scallions. You want to put those, not too many. You want to make sure that you portion this evenly, depending on the size of your fish. I have a pad of butter. And for exact measurements, please check the recipe at the bottom of this. Now, what you want to do is spoon your mirin miso sauce on, just a drop. Now, when you fold this up and you start cooking it, I know it looks kind of messy and runny, but when we fold this up nice and neat and it starts to cook in that oven, everything is going to melt and come together. Once you got all your ingredients in, you want to fold these bad boys up. So how I usually do it is I fold one side, I fold the other side, make sure it's touching. And you want to wrap these sides up like that. And you want to place it in there like that. Once you get all your salmon folded up and looking good, and your oven is preheated to 400 degrees, you want to put it on a bake pan. Me, I love glass bake pans. You want to slide it in your oven for 15 minutes. Now when you take this out, please be careful. It's going to be hot, steaming hot. So you might want to unfold it very carefully when they come out. We'll see that in 15 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, these have just come out the oven. And this is how you would serve it. I would suggest getting some cedar planks and setting them on individual cedar planks. That's a beautiful presentation. But here's one out of the foil because I would like y'all to see what it looks like. And when you get them to the table, you would serve it, open them up in front of your guests, then you want to put just a little scallion on top, just like that. And there you have it, miso salmon with mushroom. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure you check out the rest of the site for more tips, tricks, and amazing recipes. I'll see you at Ingles or online.